All right, language explorers. So let's look at this week's Saturday phrasal verb. So get in. Get in. To enter. To enter. To enter. How can I get in the building? How did you get in here? Why did you get in the car? Yeah. I will get in the office. Get in. We have no time to explain. Yeah. Let's get a picture of a car. So get in. Yeah, there we are. Get in. Get in the car. We have no time to explain. Yeah, get in the car. Get in the car. Let's go. Yeah. How cool is that? They want to get in the room. I want to get in the gym. But it is closed. It's closed. Yeah. How did you get in here? How did I get in there? How did I get in there? Which route did I take? Yeah. Very good. Will she get in here with me? Maybe. Come here and get in. Come here and get in. How cool is that? Yeah. Are you planning to get in? Well, I'm planning to get in the car, the bus, the plane, in the bus later on. Get in the bus, yeah. I want to get in building, the office, the station, in the taxi. I need you to get in the taxi with me. How do I get in the swimming pool? To go swimming. Yeah. Oh, I want to get in the ocean now to swim. Yes. So much fun. Yeah. Yeah, how cool is that? Swimming. I'm not sure this one. I guess so. Yeah. Swimming. Yeah. Swimming. Oh yes, I want to get in. They are ready and eager to get in the water. They are ready and eager to get in the water. How cool is that? Yeah. How are we supposed to get in there? How are we supposed to get in there? It's so big and locked and complex. How can I get in? How did they? Oh no, how? How did they get in? How can I get in? How did they get in? Different world. How cool is that? Yeah. So, can you use get in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, yeah? Subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching for English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy when you look for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.